Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, JM Travel. Today I'm gonna take you guys to go with me to get my truck lifted. So this truck I have right now is 2022 GMC Sierra. Back 2 years ago, I have 2 inch level in the front, and I have a lot of people asking me, you know, what size of tire can you fit on 2 inch? 285, 90, 295, 305, 35, or 33. So for your answer is with 2 inch level kit, you can fit a 35 inch tires on the truck. With a little bit of modification, then you will get no rubbing. So the setup I have right now is a 2 inch level with 35 by 12.5 by 20. But I want to get my truck look more aggressive. So today I'm gonna bring it to a place that I used to go here in Houston. If you got here in Houston, you can come to this place. He's the owner. I know the owner for a long time. Really nice guy. Best deal in Houston, Texas. So if you got here in Houston, you can check it out. Okay guys, so I'm here at Lucky Tire and Wheels on Highway 6 close to I-10. If you got in Houston, you guys can check this place out. The owner's really nice. He's the best price on it in Houston. And okay, now take a look at my trucks. This is with 2 inch lift with 35 inch tire. So today, no, I'm sorry, this is 2 inch level with 35 inch tire. So today we're gonna do a 3.5 inch lift on this truck. So take a last look of this setup I have. Is 35 by 12.5 by 20. So okay guys, so later when they pull it in, I will show you guys more about it. But let's go inside and take a look at some wheel. They have a lot of wheel on. He give you a lot of good deal on the wheel. Okay, inside the shop right now, so they have a lot of good looking wheel, man. I'm telling you, it's nice. This is 2022, I think 22, 24, something like that. So they got all kind of setup you want to. If you have Escalade, you can bring it in for a new wheel. But this is beautiful. So it's really nice, man. So today I like this wheel too. So it's really looks really clean. It's wicked for the truck. Really nice with the black and chrome finishes. Machine gun, that thing. Really nice. Yep. They got an Escalade rim right here. Look at that wheel right here. Man, I like this one. Built up, bro. It's really nice too. Yep. I'm not into this much. I'm more like concave guy. So this is fuse. So I like this one too. This is beautiful too. Yep, that one nice. That's all the wheel right here. This Lucky Tire and Wheel Shop right here, guys. So this is the one that we're gonna do install today. So the one I'm going with is it's a rough country M1. This is a back, huh? So this is a back. This is a rear shock or strut. What? That's a strut. Okay, and then the front we have M1 shock, right? Okay, with a red control arm. Really nice, guy. So after 3.5 inch, I will see how my truck gonna look. But I did 2 inch level here about years ago. It looked good, but I just want a little bit higher. So That's the truck right there. What's up, man? Okay, so now he's gonna take it in, get it apart, and ready to roll. This is the last time we look at 2-in level with 35-in tires. There you go, guy. Lucky tire and wheels. So there you go. There you go. Right now I have a factory. It's a Rancho, so we're gonna change to rough country M1. So the M1 is really good shocks for a rough country. Okay, it's just the V version, the version 2 version. The V version is the best, and then M1 and then N3 is basics for them. Okay, so that's what I have right now. So okay, guys, so now they finished with that 3-inch and half rough country in the back. You see that? You probably gonna see that. And it looked nice. It looked great. But you know what? I'm gonna change it out my new my wheel. So they're gonna take this out, and then we're gonna put a new wheel on that as well. Okay, guys. So now they took the tire out, the wheel out. I show you. This is the new shocks right here. In the back is the M1 version. It's 3.5-in. So this is mono. It's not multi-lift. Okay. So this is mono lift. So everything look good. Now I just wait for the new new wheel coming in, and then everything gonna look good. And then after we're done, I'm gonna show you guys how the car looks. But the control arm is way better than the old one. It's bigger and yeah, higher. Very nice. They got the wheel coming in. This is the one right here. It's built off-road. The model I have is BT04, 20x9. So look good. So now they're gonna put the tire on, and then put on the truck, and we'll see how they look. Okay, guys. So now they're gonna put in the tire and the wheel, and then they're gonna bring it down, and I'll show you guys how the 3.5-in look. But so far, I like it. The setup look good. 35-inch needles, 35 by 12.5 by 20. So everything look good. I will show you guys when they bring it down. Okay. Nice. Okay, guys. So this is a finished products right here. 3.5-inch lip with a new tire, new wheel, and I hope you like it. When I go home, I do more review. But this is the owner. If you're in Houston, stop by, man. There you go. There you go. Nice. Lucky tire and wheel. Really nice. It rub a little bit, right?
I don't see nothing on the side. Maybe the cover on the back.
Maybe.
This might be the one. Yeah, right there.
Right there?
Inside.
Inside?
Just because the sheet thing comes out.
Okay.
That's the only thing, but it's not a hard plastic or not metal.
Okay.
It's the cover thing. But only when you make a lock it in all the way.
When you do all the way?
All the way.
Yeah, okay.
Other than that, it's fine.
But the back is fine?
Back is fine. I didn't see nothing, no mark, nothing. It have about this much room on
Oh,
there.
okay, okay.
Exactly same we have.
Okay. But so when we turn all the way?
All the way, you can see that right there. It's barely touched that part right there on the inside.
Okay.
This just that cover layer.
Oh, okay. Okay, just a little bit.
Yeah.
Not the metal or anything like that.
No.
When you do turn, yeah, they're gonna dry it up and then see what's up. Okay, guys, so this is the final finished products right here. This is a 3.5-inch lift with a new wheel. I don't know if you guys like it, but I love it. It look aggressive. It look higher. I got a red control arm inside. That's a new control arm, everything with 35-in tire. So this is really nice. Really nice, guy. That's how they look in front. Beautiful, beautiful setup. Love it. I just want this flush. It don't stick out. It's kind of flush with the fender, so that's what I like about it. It look really nice, really aggressive, guy. So hopefully you guys like it. There you go. Beautiful. What you guys think? Please leave me a comment down below. So with a 3.5 inch lip, I still can back it in the garage. So it's perfect. And now you see it sit higher than the Escalator next to it a lot. So I really like this setup, guy. Okay guys, this is Finished Products. Thank you for watching the video today. Hopefully you guys like the video. If you guys new to my channel is about travel, live in Houston and around America. So my next modification for the truck is maybe put some light bar in the front grille. So if you guys have any idea, any comment, please let me know in the comment. And thank you for watching, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you.